Here's how to permanently delete your Snapchat account. First, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure that the application is up to date and launch it. Once you've logged into your account, tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, you need to simply scroll all the way down, and there you'll see the option of delete account under shortcuts, that is below account status. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, this will open a new web page where you need to go ahead and enter your email address or phone number associated with your account. Then tap on Next and enter your correct form of your password in this field. Then tap on Next, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom. And remember that Snapchat requires a 30-day deactivation period, and your account will be now deactivated. If you do not log in within 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.